After this video, I'm literally going to delete Temu app from my phone because at this point I've had enough of them. I want you guys to judge these items with me to see if I'm being overly sentimental or if I'm actually being honest with what I am saying. What I got this time around, it's nothing to write home about, and I was thinking I was buying things that were meant for adults, not knowing they were going to package children things to me. These are the items I ordered from Temu, and I've already opened the package because I needed to confirm everything that I ordered. So this is supposed to be a 6-in-1 wooden pattern plate, and it's supposed to be plastic, guys. When I saw this item, when I opened this item, actually I was so disappointed because this is not what I envisaged. And as a matter of fact, this is very different from what I saw on their app. I mean, what is this? This is supposed to be a plastic plate, but what is this? How is plastic so light, so inferior, you know? So this stuff, I don't know what I can do with this stuff. This, it looks like a saucer. Honestly, it looks like this saucer they used to scoop rice. It's literally not what they said it is, and it's not gonna serve the purpose I ordered for it. Let's go to the next item. So guys, tell me why these people packaged a green carton inside this waterproof and told me that this is a 3-in-1 handbag. I'm gonna show you guys what this thing looks like, the picture of what this bag looks like. But guys, I wish you can actually feel this bag that I'm carrying right now. This bag may look better on the screen, but if you feel this bag, it is so light. This bag is so inferior. It doesn't worth the price. Just tell me what this toy bag is doing inside this my order. I never ordered for anything like this. Like, this is supposed to be a 3-in-1 bag, guys. Like, what is this? This is supposed to be a wallet or something, I don't know. But these people are literally playing with somebody. To be honest with you guys, I'm going to return these items because I can't take it. I'm going to return these items. I've been trying to contact their customer service, but it has not really been responsive. But I must make sure I return these items, especially this bag, this carton-like bag. I'm literally going to return it to them because what am I going to do with this? I can't do anything with this, okay? So this is the next item on my list. This is supposed to be a clock. Okay. This is the handle of the clock. This is supposed to be reflecting at night. It's supposed to be shiny at night. When I tested, because I ordered 2 of it, so I've already installed 1. From the one I installed already, it wasn't giving what it's supposed to give. It is actually small. It is smaller than what I was expecting. But the only good thing is just that the clock is working, like it's ticking. The time is ticking. So oh god, guys, how can I order for a family size towel from Temu and they brought this handkerchief to me? It's supposed to be a heavy duty family size towel, but these people literally gave me a face towel. What am I supposed to do with this? Did I tell them I don't have handkerchief or what? Like, let me open it. Let me not talk too much. Let me just open it for you guys. Just take a look at this. What is this? How am I supposed to use this? How? Like how? Don't worry. When I show you guys a picture, you would understand what I'm saying. Okay? Okay, this is the umbrella I ordered from Temu. My sisters and brothers. These people told me that this stuff here is supposed to be a UV super prevent, UV super prevent sun as per se. They think they prevent sun, but this thing is just satin. Even the kind of satin quality that this umbrella has is the inferior quality. Most of these items I ordered this period, I don't know. I can't even tell. It's not giving what it's supposed to give, okay guys? But what can I do? On to the next. Okay, this is supposed to be an exercising equipment or exercising tool. I can actually say they did well with this one. I tried it and it's okay. I would give them a good rating for this one because it did serve its purpose. And this is just one out of the many items that I ordered, and I would say this particular one did serve its purpose and I won't complain about it. So the next item here is this glasses. Although it's kind of light, it's very light, but it's not bad. I can actually make do with it. What can I say? I can make do with it. Okay, it's actually very light, to be honest, but what do you think? I don't know. You know, some of all these things will look so flashy and so cool on their app, but on getting them here, you would see something that looks a little bit disappointing. But what can I say? So this is the last item on my list here, and this is a smartwatch. I've already opened it before, like I told you guys, and this one is the only item that I'm kind of satisfied with. Okay, for the price I got it for, it's not bad. It's actually okay. So just in case you want something like this, it is it's just smartwatch. That is what they wrote on the pack, and it's actually okay. It serves just like an Apple Watch. It has some application. It's just like a mobile phone in a watch form, so it is giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm not just going to delve in negativities. Of course, they gave me something that I wanted, and it is just this watch. I will just say this one just a little bit, though it is a little bit light, but I can just manage it. Okay, I literally don't want to make this video very long, okay, because my level of disappointment of what I saw, I just want to quickly dash off and continue to disturb their customer service until they respond to me, so I can be able to return most of this item to them and collect my money back from them. Thank you so much for staying with this very point, and till I see you next time.